yeah.
His most energy is at 7 o'clock at night, just after his dinner. And he's literally just like in the front room being like, play with me, play with me, play with me.
Yeah, it's same with Jasper actually. He's constantly dropping toys to have a good game of tug of war. Yeah, and yeah.
He just wants you to play on it. There we go, the bum spins. The bum spins.
Yeah, that's what exactly. My friend who's got a 4-year-old.
Just, yeah.
Yeah,
I can tell he likes somebody who puts his bum in their face. No. Yes, you're gorgeous too. You're gorgeous too.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You're gorgeous too. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, is that nice?
You're worn out, Jasper, aren't you? Like you've had long walks.
That's what we want.
Exactly, a tired dog is the much better dog.
Yeah. We've got plant shop on Bethnal Green Road.
Yeah.
And he, like, every morning I'm like, right, Weathersfield, throw the ball, just gonna exhaust you.
Yeah, that is exactly what you want.
Yeah.
Because and then they just settle down. What have you found, Jasper?
Walnut wants it, I tell you that.
Whatever it is, yeah.
I think it's just a bit of bark.
Okay, oh, that's not so bad.
No, it's
but he
just,
thinks
it's